indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, remote start, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.